Did you know that AI-powered farming has reduced pesticide use by up to 50% on some farms? That's not just great for the environment, it's also great for your plate. This is the kind of game-changing impact artificial intelligence is having on agriculture today. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of AI-powered farming, how technology is transforming agriculture and shaping the future of food production. From increasing yields to promoting sustainability, AI is revolutionizing the way farmers grow our food. Stick around because we'll break it all down in simple terms, and you might just learn something new about how your next meal is being grown. Oh, and if this sounds exciting to you, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. So, what exactly is AI in farming? Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to machines that can think and make decisions by analyzing data. In agriculture, this means using technology to understand and improve farming practices. For example, AI can analyze weather patterns, soil conditions, and crop health to help farmers make better decisions. It's like having a super smart assistant that knows exactly when to plant seeds, where to water, and even how to predict potential pest outbreaks. Imagine a farmer with a large field of wheat. Using AI-powered drones, the farmer can scan the entire field in minutes, identifying areas that need water, fertilizer, or pest control. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now on farms across the USA and Canada. Now, let's talk about the benefits of AI in farming. Why is this technology such a big deal? First, efficiency. AI saves farmers time, energy, and resources. Drones equipped with AI can survey hundreds of acres in a single hour, a task that could take days if done manually. AI-powered robots can even plant seeds with incredible precision, ensuring every inch of farmland is utilized effectively. Second, better yields. One of the biggest challenges in farming is making sure every crop gets the right care. AI helps farmers do this through a concept called precision agriculture. By analyzing data, AI can determine exactly how much water, fertilizer, or sunlight each plant needs, leading to higher yields. Here's a fact for you. Farms using precision agriculture tools report up to a 20% increase in crop yields. Third, sustainability. AI is also a game changer for the environment. For example, smart irrigation systems powered by AI can reduce water usage by up to 30%, which is a big deal in drought-prone areas like California. By reducing the need for pesticides and fertilizers, AI farming techniques also lower harmful runoff into rivers and lakes. Let's explore some of the tools and technologies that make AI-powered farming possible. Drones and robots. AI-powered drones fly over fields, capturing high-resolution images and analyzing them for signs of stress in plants. Meanwhile, robotic harvesters are being used to pick fruits and vegetables with precision, reducing labor costs. Smart irrigation systems. These systems use AI to monitor soil moisture and weather forecasts. They ensure crops are watered only when necessary, saving water and energy. AI software. Farmers can use apps like FarmLogs or CropX, which provide real-time data on soil health, weather predictions, and crop performance. These tools make it easier to manage large farms without breaking a sweat. Now let's look at some real-life examples of AI in action. In the Midwest, soybean farmers are using AI tools to analyze soil samples. By doing so, they've managed to increase their yields while reducing fertilizer use by 15%. In British Columbia, Canada, apple orchards are benefiting from AI-powered cameras that detect diseases in trees before they spread. This technology has saved farmers thousands of dollars by preventing crop loss. And then there's John Deere, a company you might know for its iconic green tractors. They've developed autonomous tractors equipped with AI that can plant, weed, and harvest crops without human intervention. Of course, no innovation is without its challenges. First, cost. AI-powered tools and systems can be expensive, making them difficult for smaller farms to adopt. However, as the technology advances, we're seeing more affordable solutions hit the market. Second, connectivity. Many rural areas in the USA and Canada lack reliable internet access, which is essential for AI-powered systems. Bridging this digital divide will be key to ensuring that all farmers can benefit from these innovations. But here's the good news. The future of AI in farming looks incredibly bright. Researchers are developing tools specifically for small-scale farmers, and tech companies are working on making AI more accessible and user-friendly. In fact, some experts predict that by 2030, AI will be a standard tool for farmers worldwide, helping to feed a growing population while protecting our planet. So, there you have it, a beginner's guide to AI-powered farming. From increasing efficiency to promoting sustainability, this technology is changing the way we grow food. If you're as excited as we are about the future of farming, let us know in the comments. What do you think about AI in agriculture? Do you see it as the solution to our food challenges? And before you go, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Together, let's explore how innovation is shaping the world, one field at a time.